Okay, we're going to go to the decision now, find out what ultimately you've decided to do. Ines, let's start with you.
Sure. My decision was easy to make. Leave.
Why is that, Ines?
I'm all about getting a divorce and finding a new husband. I don't want him, like, in the same room as me.
You contacted me, remember?
I found him on social media. He is so hot. It's crazy, like, he is stunning.
Shut up, Highness. I stay for
You're
Spain.
going to stay.
You want to say stay after you called me like a...
All I wanted for you to do for this week was to shave my ass. Was that so hard? I knew you weren't gonna shave my ass, so I need to find someone who would, and I did, Nick. He shaved my ass really good. And you know what? I shaved his ass too. Yeah, that's right, Nick. You and me. We know. Beauty.